Hey guys, welcome back to another NasiToys video, our first of 2025, and we're starting it off with some super cool stuff from Roo Restorations. I will link their eBay store down in the description. But yeah, first unboxing of 2025, first video, and it's gonna be some cool stuff. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so the first few things on the top, these are quite amazing. We have a 3D printed coach, and I did get a whole rake of coaches. So we have 1, 2, very nice. 1, 2. This is the brake coach. 3. And 4. So those are the 4 coaches. Very sturdy prints. And main reason for getting these is just so I can have a bunch of custom videos to do this year. I wasn't really doing a lot last year. But yeah, these are going to be very, very nice. Okay. Whoa. Got some flexi track of the sort. This is very cool, actually. Yeah. Yep. Very cool. Didn't know he was going to include that. Next up. Oh, this is great. We have a 3D printed daisy shell. I already have a face from Jason. Just needed a shell, and this will be great. Sand it down, and I'll paint it up. And we'll have a daisy. Be a great video. And then, okay, let's open up this one first. He actually threw this in as well. This is a J50 shell. Very cool. Oh, it actually says Roo Restorations in here. If that'll show. Right down there. That's very cool. Very cool. But yeah, this is a nice shell. And then probably my 2 favorite things in here. We have D199 and D261. See if we can get that to focus. This one is already painted up. I might make some alterations to it. But this right here, I'll probably keep this yellow. I'll tape over that, and I'll probably paint it in a darker shade of blue. But very nice. Both are very cool. Yeah. A lot of great videos this year. And then he also threw in some extras, it looks like. Or no. Not extras. Ha! I'm forgetting what I had ordered. I did trade for all this, so. We have a Genty shell. Can't remember if I got 2 of these or not. Oh yeah, hold up. No. 1 Genty and 2 austerities for Wilbert and 16. Oh, these are really good. Really nice, really sturdy. Very cool. Here's Genty again. Yeah, these are epic. Here's everything laid out. These are some great high quality prints. We have the rake of 4 of the coaches, which are very nice. Included chassis and the couplings as well, so I don't have to pawn a chassis from Annie or Clarabelle, then don't have to search for any new couplings. We have the D261 shell that's already painted and has stickers. I will probably make some modifications to it. We also have the D199 shell, which is very nice. I will paint this in a deeper blue because I do like the brilliant blue color, which is the dark Rust-Oleum spray paint. Then we have the Daisy shell. I already have the face for this, so it's going to be pretty easy. We'll airbrush, not spray paint, but airbrush. So this will be fun. Then we have the 2 austerity shells. We'll be making Wilbert and 16. It's gonna be very nice. We've got Genty, which looks like he'll need the most sanding out of all of them. But still great to have. And then we also have a J50 shell. I think I will do Thomas. I'll probably won't give him the number 1, but do NWR on the side. Maybe I'll find stickers, or it is possible that I just get better at freehand writing and just paint the letters on myself. But yeah, he will be in that kind of like tealish blue livery, and then yellow letters. I think that'll be very nice. And then last but not least, we have the flexi track, which he added in, which is very nice. This is great. It's shorter than the full-size Tomy track, but it's longer than the half. So this comes in great when doing any like switch tracks and trying to combine those, making double tracks and such, 2 lines or even 3. good for sidings as well, and possibly even for Tidma sheds if you needed something to turn a bit to connect, which is often the case. But yeah, this is all very nice. Thank you, Roo Restorations. This is all amazing, and I'll have some great custom videos to release in this year. So it's a great way to start out. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.